Yo, what is up, Yard Squad? It's your boy Spellster here, aka the Jamaican Gamer. Welcome back to another episode of Storytime. In this series, I basically share my life experiences with you guys in the form of stories. So whether it happened in the past or in the present, and it's just a way for me to get closer to you guys, so you guys can also get closer to me on a personal level, not just where I play, you know me as a guy that plays video games, but also as a person on a whole. So if you guys enjoy this series, please tap that thumbs up button. It only takes 40 likes for the next episode to come up every single week, and that basically shows me that you guys enjoy my story time. So if we don't get 40 likes, I'm not gonna upload any more story time, but once we do, the series will keep going. So without further ado, guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy story time. Alright guys, so the year was 2008. I was at home just chilling, and one of my buddies called me up and said, yo Spell, well come link you in or something. I bring on I'm bridging him. So I say, yeah man, cool, you can come over and things. So they came over, we're having a few beers, and we were playing some Gears of War. Back then, Gears of War 2 was on point. It was on fire, man. Everybody was talking about Gears, man. And they were just chilling. Me and my boys were just chilling, playing Gears of War and just hanging out. But I only had 2 controllers, so whoever died, they would have to give up the controller. And we were playing Horde mode, just basically chilling, just a regular weekday, you know. And Andre's phone kept on ringing. It just kept ringing and ringing and ringing and ringing, and he just would not pick it up. He would not answer the call because he was so immersed in Gears of War, because it was his first time playing it, and he was just amazed by it, and he was just loving it. He was just focused on Gears of War 2, man. So then all of a sudden he finally took up the phone, looked at it, and him said, yo Spell, talk to that girl there for me. So I'm like, oh, okay, cool, no problem. Didn't take it as nothing. So the girl hung up, and I went back into my room, locked the door, and she called back. So she was like, hello, can I speak to Andre? So I'm like, Andre's kind of disposed of right now, but you can talk to me. And she's like, what is he doing? I'm like, he's playing some video games, so he wanted me to talk to you for a second, stuff like that. So we were there talking and talking and talking until at about 2 minutes into the conversation, this girl told me that she was horny. I was like, say what? You know, so basically what this girl was doing, she was calling Andre to let him know that she wanted to fuck. And he was so busy playing video games that he did not realize this. You know, so anyway, we were talking, and she's like, she's horny. I'm like, she asked me if I know how to have phone sex. So I'm like, hell yeah, girl, I know how to do that. But little did she know that I am a phone sex god. You feel me? I could do my thing on the phone, man. So anyway, we started on the phone. She started talking dirty. I started talking dirty, and this girl was a nympho, because I could hear her pounding the hell out of her pussy with her fingers. And you know how hard you have to be doing that for that sound to travel from all the way down there to come up to the phone speaker. But anyway, man, she was doing her thing. I was like talking to her dirty. She's like, oh, you talk to me dirty, baby. And I was like, yeah, baby, you like that? You want me to slap that ass? Yeah, you want me to slap that ass? There you go, baby. You like when I slap that ass like that? She's like, oh yeah, baby, slap that ass, slap it really hard. Oh my god, yeah, baby, pinch my eyeballs now. I'm like, what? Come on, baby, pinch my eyeballs. Oh my god, I'm about to come pinch my eyeballs. I'm just kidding, man. She never said pinch my eyeballs, but moving on. I was just talking dirty to her, and she had an enormous orgasm, man, and she was so amazed with my performance on the phone. She wanted to come and fuck me the next day. I was like, damn! You know, this girl meant business. You know what I'm saying? And me personally, I was excited, you know. So she took my number, gave my brethren the phone, and she said not to tell him. So I'm like, all right, cool. It's none of his business. You know, it's his loss because he was playing goddamn video games when this girl that he was dating wanted to bust a nut. You feel me? But anyway, I gave him back the phone. She called me back on my phone, and this girl wanted a second round. We were on the phone for like 15 minutes or so, just talking, just having phone sex, stuff like that. And all of a sudden she wanted round 2, which I gave her on my phone this time. And she's like, what time do you go to work tomorrow? So I told her that I'm going to work by 9 o'clock. She said that she's gonna get here by 6:30. I'm like, damn girl, you serious? She's like, yeah. So anyway, morning came. It was about 6 o'clock. This girl woke me up out of my sleep. She's like, yo, remember, I'm coming. Give me directions. Where do I go? Where do I meet you and stuff like that? So I gave her directions, and I had to just jump in the shower, get all spiffy and look all nice and smell all good and stuff like that. And I went out to the road and I meet her. I'll never forget, I went out to the juice factory because back then I used to live near a juice factory. So I went out there, I met her, and when I saw her for the first time, oh my god, this girl was beautiful, man. She was slim, and she was just sexy as hell, man. And the only person that I know that looks like her would be Skin Diamond. And you guys know how Skin Diamond is fucking beautiful, man. Skin Diamond is sexy as fuck. You know, for those of you who don't know who Skin Diamond is, she's a porn star. She is fantastically sexy, man, if there's such a word or such a description. So when I saw her, man, I instantly had an erection. I had to put my hands in my jeans to hold my dick down. That's how sweet this girl was. But anyway, this girl meant business, man. She came in as soon as I closed the door. This girl started to strip in an instant, and she just took off my clothes and we just started, and I banged the hell out of that girl, man. And it was amazing because we fucked for like we reached home like about 6:45 or stuff, somewhere there. And we fucked up until 9 o'clock. I was even late for work. You know what I'm saying? This girl loved the dick so much that she decided that, yo, she's gonna stay home until I go to work and get back. You know what I'm saying? This girl was fantastic, man. I'm still friends with her right now. She's currently overseas right now, but man, and up until this day, Andre does not know, you know. But obviously she started to drift away from him and started to move on to me. It was just amazing, man. It was just an amazing time. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe I did that, but it was a lot of fun because I did not expect this. And this is a warning for you guys, man. Whenever your girl needs you and you're playing video games, make sure you put that shit down and tend to her needs, man. Because you never know, that one time you decide not to answer her or not to talk to her, somebody else is just gonna step in and sweep her away from you, man. So take my advice. Whenever your girl wants you, put the fucking game down or pause the game and go see what she wants. Trust me on that. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this story time series. If you do, smash that thumbs up button. Let's get 40 likes on this video for the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace out. One love. Boom! So, got you. Uh-oh. My headphones are dying.